video, we will explore questions related to direct and inverse variation. Let's tackle the first question. If 14 typists working 6 hours a day take 12 days to type a book's manuscript, how many days will 4 typists working 7 hours a day need to complete the same task? Initially, we have 14 typists working 6 hours daily for 12 days to finish the work. We'll keep the number of hours per day constant at 6. Now, if 4 typists work 6 hours a day, how many days will they need? Since fewer typists will require more time, this is an example of inverse variation, where the product of two quantities remains constant. So, 14 times 12 equals 4 times the new number of days, x. Solving for x, we get 42 days. Next, consider 4 typists working 7 hours a day instead of 6. How many days will they need to complete the work? More daily hours will reduce the number of days needed. Another instant of inverse variation. Therefore, 6 times 42 equals 7 times x. And solving for x, we find 36 days. Thus, 4 typists working 7 hours a day will take 36 days to complete the same work. Let us solve another interesting problem based on direct and inverse variation. The question says, if 18 binders bind 900 books in 10 days, how many binders will be required to bind 660 books in 12 days? Here we have 18 binders binding 900 books in. We keep the number of book 900 as it is. Then, how many binders will be required to do the work in 12 days? Obviously, if more time is taken, it means lesser number of binders are needed. This is an example of inverse variation. So the product of 18 and 10 will be equal to the product of 12 and the number of binders x. Therefore, x equals to 18 into 10 divided by 12, which is equal to 15. Now, in 12 days, how many binders will bind 660 books instead of 900? This is an example of direct variation, where the ratio of two quantities remains constant. So 15 upon 900 is equal to x upon 660. That gives x equals to 11. I hope this explanation helped you understand direct and inverse variation clearly. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and visual math explanations. Thank you.